In this video, I'm going to go over how to create your video portfolio page. It's very simple, guys. It's a matter of just entering information in here. So you just hit your information, you type it in, you hit the next button. Here you would put your business address. If you need to scroll up, you can see basically what the template's going to look like when you're done with it. But just enter your information there, your business phone. Okay, this is the email address where the contact info is going to go, so you want to make sure you put in a good email address. All right, here we're going to upload a logo. So we'll just go ahead, and the dimensions of the logo are there, so I'll just upload any logo that I have. We'll go ahead and enter our YouTube ID. Now the YouTube ID is just one string of characters. So if I bring in a video here, if you look at this URL right up here on top, you can see that the YouTube ID is right here at the end of the video. So if I were to copy this video ID and paste it in there, and this graphic right here shows you exactly what we're looking for. So we'll go ahead and put that in there just so you can see how that works. Now if you leave it blank, it's not going to display a video, so make sure you don't leave it blank. I'm just going to fill this with a bunch of videos just for the sake of time. But obviously you need to upload your videos to YouTube. You know, you can watermark them and just use that ID. Here's the testimonial. You can go ahead and edit your testimonial information, or you could just leave it. That's who it's by, that's where they're from, and then you go through 3 different testimonials here. Okay, again, obviously put you know, testimonials that you've received. Then we have our Facebook link, so you just go ahead and put in, you know, your Facebook ID or your Facebook link. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my website link here, but you know, you can put in your LinkedIn ID. And then we get to our colors. So here's the colors for the top and the highlighted portions. Again, you could use this for reference. So there's that purple and that purple up there. So that's what you're going to do with this particular color here. So I'll go ahead and pick just some random color. Let's hit next. Then we have our middle color of the template, and you see it's real thick yellow here. The text is black, so you're going to want to put something, you know, pretty light. We'll go ahead and put a lighter color right in there, okay, just to break it up. And then we have our contact form page here, and the buttons, these 2 buttons up here. Those are going to be driven by this color here. So again, the text is dark, and you want to put something on the darker side. I'll just put something like blue just so you can see how that works. The copyright year, and then we hit build portfolio page. We'll go ahead and download it. Hit save. All right, so we've built our page. Now this is what you're going to want to do here. So let me move this out of the way. You're going to want to create a folder. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this VidPort. All right, just to show you how this works. So I'm going to open up that folder, VidPort. I'm going to go ahead and select all these files here and drag them right over to this VidPort. And I'll show you in a second why I'm doing this. All right, so those are all in there. I can go ahead and hide that now. Now I have my VidPort folder here. All right, now what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to log in to my server. Now you're going to need a server, and I use a program called Fire FTP. It just works right off my Firefox browser. Okay, so I use that, and I'm going to open up my server here so I can display my website, davidcisneros.com. Go ahead and move this over a little bit. I'm going to open the public HTML file. Now I've already named my file VidPort, so whatever I name it, I'm just going to drag these files right over here, and it'll take just a minute or so as these files load up. You can see that. Okay, now this is again on davidcisneros.com. So once this is fully uploaded, there it is right there, VidPort, and it is case sensitive. So you see I use a capital V and a capital P. So now I need to go to davidcisneros.com, capital VidPort. I'll hit enter, and here we go. This video portfolio is now online and fully displayed. Okay, so you can see there it is. Those are the colors I chose. Those are the videos that I selected there. There's 6 videos. If I hit play,
Davis from Studio J.
Videos. Okay.
Davis from Studio J. It is time for the T-Mobile halftime report.
All right. Then we have the rest of our testimonials, and here's our contact form. You can see that blue color that I chose. And then we have our David Cisneros. This goes to David Cisneros, and this goes to Amazon. Okay? So you know that all these work. I set this up, guys, in minutes, and I put it on my server in just a few minutes, and it worked great. Okay? So that's how quick and easy it is to get your video portfolio all set up, all online, and ready to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, just contact us via support. Take care.